How to add a product to wishlist on Temu. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Let's get right into the tutorial. In order to add a product to wishlist on Temu, open the Temu application on your device first and make sure you are logged in. Now surf through Temu and select the product that you want to add to your wishlist. For instance, in order to add this bracelet to your wish list, tap on the bracelet and now tap on the heart icon you see on the top right of your screen. You will be asked to enter the color and the quantity of the product you want, so go ahead and enter those and now tap on the add to wish list option and you can see the product has been added to the wish list successfully. You can simply tap on the view option there in order to view your wishlist, or you can go to the home page of Temu and tap on the U option in the bottom center and you will see the wishlist option there too. Tap on that and you can view your wishlist. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.